snowed last night, just randomly. It wasn't on the forecast, and I'm so happy. Hi, Rookie. Here comes Ruko from a little wild adventure. What did you do? Hey. It's so pretty. I am going to enjoy my coffee, stare out at the quiet snow just dropping on the ground. And yeah, I'll bring you guys around later though, because you guys know I've been waiting for this like all winter long. So I'm definitely gonna get out today. But yeah, so happy. I just woke up and just made coffee and I was like, I have to just show you guys. I freaking am stoked.
Hi, I'm Molly. For years, I've been on a journey of finding my place in this world, living in different countries, traveling around Australia in a van, exploring Baja in my truck, and settling, for now, on my off-grid property in New Mexico, living in a yurt. I've brought myself to many corners of the world and have no plans of stopping anytime soon. I'm embracing this chapter, here off-grid. But the future is unknown, and I'm excited where life may take me next. Hit that subscribe button and join me every week as I share my journey.
Living in a winter wonderland. I decided to come out and show you guys around. I've got my camera and I'm gonna try to get some pretty stuff. I'm want to sit somewhere honestly and try to get some birdies, but I'm just soaking it up. I think my favorite part about having snow days is that it's just so still and so quiet and you can hear everything. Like you can hear a little bunny hopping and you can see their tracks. It's just so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna go try to find a little still, quiet spot to hide and see what I can get for you guys and just soak in this beautiful snow day. West Side Ranch. Yeah, it's just so pretty. I'm gonna go up to the lookout and try to get the view, but it's obviously cloudy because it's snowing, so we'll see what it looks like. Whoa. It is pure magic. I wish I could give this experience to everyone right now. I'll send you as much as I can. It's so pretty. Let me get you propped up. You can't see shit, but... Well, so that's the South Ranch. Back there. And then we have the cliffs over there. And then also ranch. And then San Juan Mountains are typically back there. And this is the East Ranch. Or West Ranch, excuse me. It's so pretty.
You know what there's in store. Hold on tight. You're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, brace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are was never set in stone. And things go down with a magic of their own. And when you think you gotta figure it out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds. So we hang onto hose more things.
It has been such an amazing day. I have just been relaxing in the yurt, doing some art, cooking, and I watched a little TV. It's just been so nice. And yeah, but the day's slowly starting to end, and I want to take in all the snow as I can. So I came back out. I need to get wood because we're literally day-to-day wood right now. And so I'm going to do some chopping. Kelly just went down to go bring up some more logs from the bottom. But yeah, I just want to enjoy the snow while I can because I'm actually leaving tomorrow. And I'm so excited. I'm going to be surprising my best friend in Nashville. So she has no idea I'm coming. It's her birthday. And yeah, so I just want to take in the snow while I can. So I'm going to go for like another little evening walk, chop some wood. And it's actually kind of warm out. It's weird. So I feel like the snow like puts this like layer of warmth everywhere. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I feel like that's what's happening and I'm kind of warm. But yeah, y'all, look how pretty my brother's cabin is in the snow. I'm going to turn around and show you. Kelly took over chopping for me, which is so great. Oh, look, we have little footprints. I think it's a little bunny. I don't know what that is, but something where they're like 2 feet together, which is really cute. But yeah, Kelly took over chopping for me. I literally got one shot in, which is fine by me. And I'm going for a little walkabout. Ruko ran off. It's just so peaceful right now and really special. Here are other tracks. I think they're Ruko's. Look at the line. That line and that line. Special day. I'm excited that I'm getting to take it all in today before I leave tomorrow. So I'll drive out in the snow. I actually need to go clean out my car and get off the snow from the windshield so tomorrow it's not frozen. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining on this episode. Yeah, it was a simple one, you know, like not every time I'm going to be able to give you these cool episodes. Not like all of them are even cool. It's just, this is my life. And yeah, I'm just sharing to you guys what I'm doing and where I'm at and how I'm going about it. And it's been really fun, and I'm really thankful that you guys are here following along and watching. So thank you. And I'm also really excited because I have a lot of fun things planned this year. Just in, I guess, a couple weeks, I'm going to be headed out on some really epic, cool adventures. So yeah, you guys can enjoy some little bit of travel content too, which will be good. And then I'll be back here to start building my Adobe home, which is going to be insane. that's the goal. It's not like totally set in stone, but yeah, that's the goal. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. Thanks for watching. And I hope you guys got to enjoy the snow with me. And I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to go check out my brothers, their website, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All the good things. It really helps me out. And I'm just, yeah, super happy that I can do this right now in my life. So thank you, and I'll see you guys soon.